And then the last concept is nucleic acids. Each and every person having the same characters of ancestors, isn't it? And genetic information is transferred from one generation to the another generation. It's called heredity. And genetic material is DNA and RNA. Those are present in the chromosomes. And in most of the organisms, the genetic information is stored in chromosomes. That chromosomes are thread-like structures and found in the nucleus of the cell, where those chromosomes are made up of proteins, and another type of biomolecules are called nucleic acids. Or another definition for nucleic acids is nucleic acids are the polymers of long chain polymers of nucleotides. Can be explained in the next of the concept. Up to here, what are nucleic acids? Chromosomes are made up of proteins and another type of biomolecules called nucleic acids. There are two types of nucleic acids. One is DNA and RNA. DNA, D is deoxyribonucleic acids. RNA, ribonucleic acids. These two, as I said, the compositions types of nucleic acids, and what chemicals or what is the chemical composition of nucleic acids. It can be clearly understood by its hydrolysis. See, when the nucleic acids are hydrolyzed using enzyme nuclease on hydrolysis nucleic acids to form nucleotides. It is one of the composition of the nucleic acids. Nucleotides. Again, the second one, when the nucleotides are hydrolyzed, these nucleotides from nucleic acid, again the nucleotides on hydrolysis using enzyme nucleotidase to form nucleosides plus orthophosphoric acid H3PO. When the nucleosides on hydrolyzed using enzyme nucleotidase to form nucleosidase to form nitrogen bases plus sugar. Nitrogen bases are the two types, purines and pyrimidines. Plus sugar, it is a pentose sugar. What is the composition of nucleotides, nucleosides, orthophosphoric acid, nitrogen bases, pentose sugar. These are the chemical compositions of the nucleic acids. Now the definition for nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are the long chain of polymers of nucleotides. Nucleic acid hydrolyzed using enzyme nuclease, or commonly called as biopolymers. The clear definition for the nucleic acid. Nucleic acids are long chain polymers of nucleotides, hence they are also called polynucleotides or biopolymers. And nucleotides are now considered as building blocks or monomers of the nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are made up of nucleotides, so that the nucleotides are called as building blocks of the nucleotides are called building blocks of the nucleic acids. Now, ribonucleotide is the monomer of RNA. R indicates ribonucleosides. Now, DNA, D indicates deoxyribonucleotide. Now the nucleic nucleic acids containing three components. It is already studied in the chemical compositions of nucleic acids. Pentose sugar. Every nucleic acid, whether it may DNA or RNA, nucleic acid containing three components: pentose sugar, nitrogen bases. Again, nitrogen bases are classified in two types: purines and pyrimidines. These purines and pyrimidines. And phosphate group. Let us see one by one. Number one, pentose sugar. Penta indicates 5 carbon atoms. Pentose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms. It is also having 5 carbon atoms. The sugar unit present in a nucleoside, either beta D ribose sugar present in RNA or beta D deoxyribose present in DNA. Because RNA and DNA are types of nucleic acids. What is the difference between those two structures? Only one. The second carbon, beta D ribose having one OH group. Here oxygen is present, but here there is no oxygen. So that they use pronounced deoxy. There is no oxygen at the carbon number 2. Deoxy, there is no oxygen. Deoxyribose, similar to the ribose structure, but one oxygen is less. Deoxyribose pentose sugar present in DNA and it is present in RNA. Next one, nitrogen bases. Second component, number one is pentose sugar. Second is nitrogen bases. What are nitrogen bases? Nitrogen bases based on the structure classified in the nucleic acids are purines and pyrimides. There are two types of nitrogen bases, purines and pyrimides. Purine bases are two, adenine and guanine. For these to have same compound, that is again compound name of purine. These two are nucleic acid. That purine bases present in the nucleic acids are adenine and guanine structures. But these two are very common in both DNA and RNA. In fact, pyrimidine bases, these structures are follows the organic compound pyrimidine. Purines have the same organic compound follow the purine. Pyrimidine bases follow the pyrimidine. Pyrimidine bases are present in the nucleic acids are cytosine, thymine, uracil 3. Structure of the system, cytosine and this and thymine structure and uracil structure, but the common structure is pyrimidine. Among these 5, these 3 are common: adenine, guanine, cytosine. These 3 are common in both RNA and DNA, but only difference is thymine only present in the DNA. For which nitrogenous base is present only in DNA is thymine. Which nitrogenous base only present in RNA means uracil. And question also form like which nitrogen base, which pyrimidine base present in the DNA? Only one. It is the thymine. Third one is phosphate group. first one pentasugar, second one nitrogen bases, purines and pyrimides, and third one is phosphate groups. A phosphate group, it is a phosphoric acid. Phosphate ester is from the phosphoric acid. Phosphate group which links the sugars, pentasugar, in nucleic acids is obtained from phosphoric acid. In phosphoric acid, there are 3 OH groups, 1, 2, 3 OH groups. Among those, 2 of these acidic groups, 1 OH group and 1 OH group, 2 of these acidic groups present in each phosphoric acid, which reacts with the alcohol to form phosphodiester linkage. It is present in nucleic acids to form phosphate group. It makes the nucleic acid is in acidic element. Nucleotides and nucleosides. Definition for nucleosides. Nucleosides is a compound containing the nitrogen base plus pentasugar. See, nucleoside. It is a base, nitrogen base. Nitrogen bases, whether purines and pyridines, adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, or uracil, any one nitrogen bases plus pentasugar, ribose sugar. Plus here it is also containing a base only. Nitrogen base plus pentasugar compound is called a nucleosides. For example, adenosine is a nucleoside. Adenosine is a nucleoside containing adenine is a nitrogen bases, purine, and ribose sugar is a pentasugar, ribose sugar. So that it is an example for nucleoside. What is the definition for nucleoside? Nucleoside, a compound containing nitrogen base plus sugar. Nucleotide means only one extra compound, that is a phosphoric acid, phosphate group. See the definition: nucleotides. Nucleotides are the phosphoric acid esters of the nucleosides. Nucleosides means base plus sugar. It is a nitrogen bases attached to the ribose sugar plus phosphate. It's called nucleotides. Example: adenosine monophosphate. Adenosine means it is a base, monophosphate indicates it is one pentasugar, ribose sugar, as well as it is containing diester bond with the phosphate, phosphodiester linkage.